Yes. Today exercise 5.2. Exercise 5.2. Question number first part. Okay. Fill in the blanks in the following table. Given that A is the first term, D is the common difference, and A and the nth term of AP. A is first term. Okay. D is 3 and is 8, and A and B have to find out. Yes, Sneha Pandey. In this question, A is given, B is given, N is given. We have to find out the value of An, nth term. Nth term we have to find out. How can you find out An? Please tell me. Which formula will you apply to solve this question? An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. I have already discussed in the previous class. Yesterday I have already discussed it. Okay, An. What is the value of A? A is 7. N is 8 and D is 3. Okay. Now solve it and find the value of A. Here 7 into 3. An is equal to 7 3s are 21. 7 plus 21, that is 28. The value of An is 28. Please note down it. Do it fast. Fourth part. Okay. A is minus 18.9. D is 2.5. Okay. And we have to find out. And An is 3.6. Okay. Now to find the value of n, we will apply the same formula, that is An. An is equal to
A plus A minus N minus 1
into D. Very good. Now put the values and find the value of n. An is 3.6. What is the value of A? A is minus 18.9. And we have to find out. And the value of D is 2.5. Okay. Now 3.6 plus 18.9 and minus 1 into 2.5. Any doubt, any problem? Okay, yes. Now 9 plus 6 15, 1 carry. 18 plus 3 21, 21 plus 1 22.5. Okay, and minus 1, that is 2.5.
Second equal to 10.
Okay, now 22.5 divided by 2.5 and minus 1 9. Okay, and 9 plus 1, that is 10. N is 10. Any doubt, any problem?
No.
Question number 2, first part. Thirty term of AP. The given AP is the given AP is 10, 7, 4, and so on. अभिज्ञान am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
What is the value of A? What is the value of A? Abhijan, am I audible to you or not?
Sir, 10.
Why are you wasting my time? A is 10. Akash Pal, what is the value of D? Common difference is?
Yes, sir.
What is common difference? Just give me the answer immediately. Just give me the answer immediately. Don't think so much.
Okay, sir.
Yes, what is the value of D?
3.
3 or any more?
-3, sir.
Minus 3.
Yes, sir, -3.
Okay, yes. We have to find out the 30th terms. A30. How can we find out A30? A30 means A30 means A plus 29D. What is A?
Yes, sir.
What is the value of D?
plus 29
Yes.
-2.
87. That is minus 77.
-77.
Any doubt, any problem?
No, sir.
Do it fast. Question number 3, first part. 2 missing term we have to find out,
The box.
and 26. Okay, it means this is your first term, this is your second, this missing term, second term we have to find out, and this is your third term. Yes. General terms of AP are H. General terms of an AP are H. What are general terms of AP? A
plus D. A plus 3, A plus 2D, A plus 3D.
Very good, very good. Yes. Yes, please tell me that your first term is 2, A is 2. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir, right.
A is 2. And your third term is 26. A plus 2D is 26. Am I right or wrong?
Right, sir.
Yes. A is 2 given. Now we will put the value of A is 2 and we will find out the value of D. Any doubt, any problem?
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Now A is 2, replace A with 2, that is twice of D and 26. Okay. Now twice of D is equal to 26 minus 2 and twice of D is equal to 24 and D is equal to 12 and D is 24 divided by 2.
12.
D is 12.
Well,
Now A is 2 and D is 12. Now you can find out the second terms, missing term, second term, that is A plus D. Can you find out?
14.
Now
Yes, sir, it is
second
14.
term, A plus D. What is A? A is 2 and D is 12. That is 14. Any doubt, any problem?
No, sir. No, sir.
Good. Third part. 5. Missing term. Second term missing. Third term is also missing. And your fourth term is 9 1 by 2. Okay. It means 5 missing terms, and 9 to the 18, 2 9 the 18, 18 over 1, 19 by 2. General term of AP are as of an AP
A plus D.
are as, okay, A plus D, A plus 2D,
A plus 2.
A plus a
3D.
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 What is given?
5 and equal 5 and equal 19.
A is equal to 5 or A plus 3D is equal to 19 upon 2 is given. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Yes. A is 5
Right.
and A plus 3D is 19 upon 2. Replace A with 5 and find out the value of D. Replace
5 plus 3D is equal to 19 by 2.
Yes. 3D is equal to 19 by 2 minus 5 by 1. Okay. 3D is equal to LCM is 2
2.
9.
So D 3 above
5 to the 10. 3D is equal to
9 by 2.
9 by 2. And D is equal to 9 by 2 divided by 3.
3 by 10.
3 on the 3, 3 to the 9. D is equal to 3 by 2.
Yes, sir.
Now A is 5 and D is 3 by 2. A is 5 and D is 3 by 2. Now second term is A plus D. What is A? 5 and 3 by 2. LCM is 2. 2 5 are 10 plus 3. 13 by 2. It can be written as 6 1 by 2. Am I right or wrong?
Right, yes.
Third term is,
It is 4.
1 second. Third term is A plus 2D. A is 5. D is 3 by 2. 2 1 is 2. 5 plus 3 is.
6 8.
Yes, do it fast. Question number 3, fifth part. Yes. Missing term. First term is missing. Okay. Now 38. After that missing term, continuously 3 missing terms and missing terms. Okay. After that minus 22. Yes. General term of APRH. Of an AP RS. A is missing. A plus 2D is 38. A plus 3D missing. A plus 4D missing. A plus 5D missing. And A plus 6D.
Sir, you haven't written A plus B.
Oh, sorry. A plus D. One second. That is A plus D is 38. A plus 2D missing. A plus 3D missing. A plus 4D missing. And A plus 5D is minus 22. Okay. What is A plus D?
38.
38.
38.
Your first term A, this is your first term A. A plus D is 38. And A plus 5D is minus 22. Solve these pair of linear equations. In chapter number 3, a pair of linear equation we have already discussed. How can we solve the pair of linear equation? By using elimination method, substitution method. Okay. Now solve.
And cross multiplication.
Yes. Now solve the pair of linear equation and find out the value of A and D. By elimination method, sign change. Plus sign change into minus sign and minus sign change into plus sign. Okay? That is cancel out. It becomes plus D minus 5D. Plus D minus 5D.
Sir, D equals to minus 15. Minus 4.
Minus 4D. And it becomes 60. D is equal to 60 divided by minus 4.
Minus 15.
And D is
Minus 15.
minus 50. How can you find out the value of A?
So by putting the value of
D is equal to minus 15 in
D is
equation
equation 1.
first. And that is second. Okay.
A.
Putting D is equal to minus 15 in equation first. Putting D is equal to minus 15 in equation first. Okay.
A equals to 53, sir.
Yes. A plus D is 38. And the value of D is minus 15. 38. And A is 38 plus 15. So value of A is 53. A 53
Yes.
and D is minus 15. Now you can find out the value of first missing term, first term, third term, fourth term and fifth terms. Can you find out?
Yes, sir.
आज उनका बायो का
Now second term is 38. Third term a plus 2d. Third term a plus 2d. What is a? A is 53 and d is minus 15. Yes, 53. Minus 15 into 2. Minus 30. That is 23. Okay. Now your next missing term is fourth and fifth. Fourth and fifth missing terms. Fourth term is a plus 3d. What is a? 53 and d is minus 15. 53 minus 45. That is 8. Next is fifth term. A plus 4d. What is a? 53 and
53.
minus 50. 53 minus 60. That is minus 7. Minus 7. Any doubt, any problem?
No, sir.
The point is clear? Concept is clear?
Yes, sir.
Do it fast.
Correct, sir.
Do it fast.
Yes, sir.
Question number 5th, second part. 18, 15 and half. Series is decreasing. That is 30 and so on minus 45. You are observing that the series is decreasing and goes in the negative side. Okay. What is your first term? Find the number of terms.
80.
Yes. And what is common difference? A2 minus A1. 15 and half minus 18. 15 to the 30, 30 or 1, 31 by 2 minus 18 upon 1. Your LCM is 2. 18 to the 36.
Minus 5 by 2.
Okay. Last term is your end term. Last term is minus 45.
Minus 47.
And minus 45 your series is end up. It means your last term. Last term means an. An is given.
Sir, please scroll a bit up.
Okay. Listen to me. First of all, you will watch the question and you have to find out the value of A, D, A and N. And think about it. What we have to find out. हमको फाइंड आउट क्या करना है इसके अंदर, इस क्वेश्चन के अंदर. इसे आपके पास A है, AN है, A इसमें गिवन है, आपके पास D गिवन है, आपके पास लास्ट टर्म गिवन है. Now we have to find out the value of N. कि how many terms are there? What is N? N is number of terms. कि इसमें कितनी terms ऐसी है कि 18 से स्टार्ट हो minus 47 पे फिनिश हो, तो इसमें ऐसी कितनी terms बनेगी? क्वेश्चन समझ में आ रहा सभी को?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो इसमें n means number of terms. How many number of terms are there? Okay. Now which formula is applied?
Yes, sir.
Which formula is applied?
N by 2.
A plus N minus 1 into D.
An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into.
N minus E.
What is An? Minus 47. What is A?
Yes, sir.
What is A?
A.
18.
18.
And we have to find out what is the value of D. D is
And sir, n equals to 27.
and 27. Acha, you have to find out.
Minus 5 by 2, sir.
D is minus 5 by
After solving.
after solving. Minus 5 by 2. Okay, yes. Minus 47, minus 18, and minus 1, and minus 5 by 2. Okay.
Minus 5 by 2.
Okay, yes. That is minus 65. Am I right or wrong? Now we have to find out the value of n. N2 n minus 1 minus 5 by 2 is multiplied. It will divide it. It will become reciprocals. N minus 1. Cancel out. 5 to 13. 13 to the 26. 26 plus 1. And n is 26. Any doubt, any problem? This is the n, not h. h नहीं है, ये n है. Question number 6 is okay. Check whether minus 150 is a term of the given AP. Your AP is decreasing. 11, 8, 5 and 2. The given APB. 11, 8, 5 and 2. What is A?
11.
D is A2 minus A1, 8 minus 11, that is minus 3.
3, sir.
Minus 3.
We have to check that minus 150 is a term of given AP or not. Minus 150. We will consider that
Sir, please solve.
let AN is equal to minus 150. We have to check that you are observing that this series is decreasing. 11, 8, 5 and 2. We are observing that minus 150 will be the last term. Minus 150 will be the last term. Minus 150 will be the last term. Okay? We have to check it. Now apply the formula A plus n minus 1 into D. To complete this question, I want to tell you one more thing, that the value of n can never be negative and it never be fraction. Value of n can never be negative. n की वैल्यू कभी भी नेगेटिव नहीं होती, कभी भी फ्रैक्शन में नहीं आएगी. ठीक है? ओके?
Yes, sir.
an is
Okay, sir.
minus 150. A is 11.
11.
And we have to find out, and value of D is minus 3.
Minus 3.
Okay, yes. Minus 150 minus 11 and minus 1, that is minus 3. Okay. Minus 161. Minus 161 divided by minus 3 and it is and minus 1. Plus 161 divided by 3 plus 1 is equal to n. LCM is 3. 161 plus 3.
Not pause.
Okay. Yes. It becomes 164 divided by 3. 3 5s are 15. 4 जा 12, 3 5 जा 15, 3 4 जा 12 and 2 by 3. N is in the fraction. The value of n is in a fraction. That is possible.
No, sir. No,
N
sir.
should be a positive integer. N should be a positive integer. Should be a positive integer. N should be a positive integer. Positive integers. Okay. Always n should be a positive integer. So minus 150 is not a term. Not a term of given AP. ये इस AP की टर्म कब होती? प्लीज टेल मी.